President's Day today.
Oh yeah, like the streets are empty. There's nobody working at. Runs good.
It looks good, yeah. The run's good. Yep, that's the one lap we need.
Want to park it over there and take pictures of it or something?
That also works too. Yeah, just somewhere out in the open where there's like no cars and I can have like a full 360 of it.
That might be a good spot back there.
Yeah.
You got all your stuff you need?
No, I need to grab my tripod and stuff for it.
Yeah, let's go put it up on that little side thing. That might be a decent spot.